Guys, I am here with Eayon here again. It's been a while since I've worn a wig from Eayon here. It's the same packaging. It's the same packaging as before. So it has their website listed on the box. I'm sorry guys, it's going in and out of focus. So I got a wig cap and I'm seeing the wig. That's all I got in this package. Yeah, I'm gonna put two more little something in the package. What we got here, guys, is a beautiful lace front curly wig. All right, this is a 22-inch curly wig. Yeah, it's a 13x6 parting lace front, and with a lot of the newer type of wigs, you know, the mid portion of the wig has like a deeper scooped out area. I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, so it's nicely pre-plucked. That's what I noticed as well. I love when a wig come nicely pre-plucked because what I've learned since recent times is like I don't want to pluck it too much. If it needs to be plucked, it needs to be plucked, but try not to over pluck because it does shed over time. Sometimes you're not even wearing the wig, you put it down and as I wash it, it's like it gets bald spots and stuff. So like when it's nicely pre-plucked and it comes that way, it minimizes the shedding. That's what I've experienced. It does shed, you know, don't get me wrong, over time, but it's not as bad. So yeah, the inside has a total of 4 combs and adjustable straps. In the back is a nice medium tone lace, and it's a medium cap as well. So that's how that looks. Let's go ahead and jump into installing. Guys, once I slapped this on my head, I knew I was gonna be in love. The hairline alone, it was just so perfect. It looked so natural. Just look at that. I absolutely love that, and for that reason I knew from the jump that I wouldn't be doing like a lot of baby hairs. I just wanted to do the very minimal look, which is just, you know, my tiny little swoops, and you know, let this gorgeous hairline shine through. As usual, I'm using my Got To Be spray to get everything nice and laid. Of course, you know, I use my Got To Be when I'm going to be wearing the wig for a shorter period of time. If I'm going to be wearing it for a longer period, I go in and use my glue. And if you want a durable like wear with just using Got To Be, you could do the ball cap method. I don't do the ball cap method a lot, you know, just because I change up my hair a lot, and honestly, it's neither here or there for me, honestly. You know, it's not a big deal if I don't do the ball cap. But as I say, if you want a more durable install, definitely do the ball cap because it's good for that. Look at that. When I comb back the hair there, you see that nice graduation? It's literally so perfect. I love the look. It's amazing. I love this. Eayon, you did an amazing job with the hairline on this wig, and the wig itself was just like really soft and nice. So I love that. All in all, I feel like curly hair, you have to, you know, once you're gonna be having it on like every day, you want to ensure that you detangle it because it can be a little bit of high maintenance in terms of just detangling it and all of that on a daily, because it can get matted and tangled quite easily. And that's just a general thing for curly textures. But for me, I choose a curly texture over straight texture if I'm going to be like going on a trip or so, because I feel like, you know, you can literally get this wet. You don't have to worry about straightening it or curling it up. Just wet it up and it looks even more beautiful, you know. So I just feel like to do stuff like to be out and not really, I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say, but in terms of that, it's low maintenance. In terms of styling, it's more low maintenance. So as you can see, I went through and I removed the excessive lace after applying my Got To Be, and you know, it's just the usual, you know, nothing you've never seen. I went ahead and started on my little swoops, which I'm just doing on the side here. Took a little bit of gel. Yes, gel. People have asked me before, you use eco gel on your edges for your wigs? Yeah, trust me, it's not doing anything. I literally it washes out so easily, so it's really not a big deal. It just lays the hair super quick, and it doesn't leave it hard and stiff, so that's a plus. Yeah, so I literally don't have a problem with that. And yeah, that's literally all the swoops that I decided to do. I went in once more with my hot comb, and I just love the hairline. I know I've said this so much time since the video I've started, but it's really nice, and the lace is undetectable, you know. It's a nice thin lace. It melted down quite easily. So I moved on to doing a center part today, and of course I'm gonna go in and, you know, fix the parting space, because that definitely needs fixing. Nothing a little concealer can't fix. So I'll do that further on down in the video. Right here I was just using my hot comb to lay everything, you know, nice and flat. And yeah, this is where I went down the middle with my comb. And oh, while I was doing all of this, I decided that, you know what, I'm not gonna do a wet look today, because I love the big hair vibe that it was giving. Yeah, I was definitely feeling that, so that's what I did. And yeah. Guys, I am all done with installing this. As you can see, I didn't do any baby hairs like in the middle. I just did my little swoops on the side. The lace is so undetectable. I am very pleased with the lace, very pleased. So shout out to Eayon here for that bomb lace. The wig construction is A1. It fits so nicely, so I'm very pleased with that. Yes, I didn't wet it up today. It's really nice and full. And yeah, that's what I really wanted to show you. I didn't want to do the wet look, especially because my last curly look I did, you know, that nice wet look, and it's a 13x6. I love when the parting go all the way to the back, so you know, that's really nice. So yeah, minimal shedding, so note that it is curly hair, and over time you have to focus on how you maintain it, because you don't want it to get like super tangly, and then you know that's going to like make it shed even more. So try to detangle it every day, as long as you're wearing it, and store it properly after you cleanse it and all of that, and it should be fine. Yeah, the density, everything like that is so nice. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications in my description box, so go ahead and check that out, and the direct link to this wig. So check that out. That's it for today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go make up on yourself.
Feelings, it's